guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone's Eid was really good, huh? You must have spent good time with your family and friends and everything must have been going great for you all. I've been busy with my family members and of course, my peers and my friends, and of course the time has been great for them. And I hope that it is a good time to share my life with you all now, and my daily routine as well. So I was just having good breakfast here, and now I know why this place is known for its breakfast. I mean, it is a known place, and I wouldn't mind sharing my food with you all, or consuming it at least, because now we are all filled up with our Eidis and everything. So today's topic is very interesting. It is about having breakfast. So it's not just about having breakfast at different places. It is something जो कि सब लोग अपने घर में easily consume कर सकते हो at your homes, ठीक है, at your offices maybe. And not just that, you can do whatever you want to do in your life. Yes, when you have good breakfast, it's just about whatever you're consuming in the daytime, in the morning time. Alright, so alright. So good, by the way. So good. So I won't be discussing anything like that कि भाई if you should consume this or not, but it's just something that I would be sharing with you कि जो breakfast है वो हमारी लाइफ में क्या काम करता है, right? So first of all, the tip number one that breakfast is doing and is great for us. So number one, that it makes us feel healthy. It makes our metabolism high. It of course boosts our metabolism, and when our metabolism is boosted and it's on high level, on high pace, तो होता ही है in short कि we start our day off very well. We become happy, we do good things, we enjoy the day. For the rest of the day we are prepared. We prepared for the rest of the day then. Alright, so tip number two, our brain starts working well, because जाहिर है when we have good breakfast तो हमारा mind भी fresh होगा. Mind fresh होगा तो mind fresh होके चलेगा और चीज़ें हम करने में बहुत आसानी होगी. So they are giving us a hash brown too. It's a deal. Alright, so other than that, tip number three, that when we're happy with our food and we are good because our tummy is happy too, तो उसका एक और जो impact होगा हमारे ऊपर, वो direct impact हमारे ऊपर तब आ रहा है that we are doing great work as well. Our work is progressing, we are progressing in our work, we are putting our mind fresh है हमारा. माइंड चलता ही तब है जब हम खाते पीते हैं, अपने आप को फ्रेश रखते हैं. जब अपने आप को फ्रेश रखते हैं तो चीज़ें वैसे ही ठीक होना स्टार्ट हो जाती हैं, चीज़ें ठीक होती रहती हैं, राइट? सो टिप नंबर 4, that obviously when our mood is good because of the food that we have consumed, घर का पराठा दाल, घर का पराठा सब्जी, जो भी सब्जी है, ठीक है, घर का अंडा हो गया, घर के आपकी कोई भी चीज़ हो गई है, I think that's more than enough. That's amazing. That's just precious. ठीक है, बाहर की चीज़ें तो आप कभी कभी कंज्यूम कर सकते हो, just like I am having this thing, but it's something that you can consume and you can enjoy कभी कभी, once in a blue moon, or maybe just if you're out with your friends, or if you're just hanging out, just if it's your me time, or if it's your, it's your chilling time, right? You can do all that, but when, of course, you are not at home. लेकिन आप घर में हो तो घर का खाने से बेहतर और कोई चीज़ नहीं है. Nothing else compares to that. So tip number 5 पे थी मैं. Tip number 5 is 5 थी 4 थी, खैर. Another tip is that what we do not understand and realize is कि जब हमारा mood ठीक होगा, because obviously our tummy is happy. With a happy tummy, what we'll do is कि जाहिर सी बात है, of course, हम सबके साथ अच्छे होंगे ना, फिर we won't fight, we won't argue, we'll be happy with our colleagues, with our friends, with our whoever the person is, whoever the next person sitting with us, ठीक है ना, we'll be happy like that कि भाई ये चल रहा है, इसके साथ तो बना के रखो यार, मेरा मूड ठीक है तो इसका भी मूड ठीक है और इसका भी मूड ठीक है और सब लोग खुश हैं अपनी लाइफ में, राइट। सो अनदर टिप इज, जब आप अच्छा खाओ पियोगे आपको रियलाइज होगा कि वी शुड बी ग्रेटफुल, वी शुड बी हैप्पी, वी शुड जस्ट लिव आवर लाइफ एंड वर्क एंड डू आवर बेस्ट। एंड अनदर टिप वाज दैट जब हमें आउटकम मिलेगा उसका तो हम बहुत खुश होंगे, अल्टीमेटली इट विल मेक अस हैप्पी। So do share your breakfast meals with me, because breakfast is something that we cannot miss. We cannot miss out on this because it really impacts our mood, our overall body, our overall health. Of course, how can we miss on that? You must have seen in my previous videos that I've talked about health. I've talked about health a lot because our health is important. Jaan hai to I believe jahan hai. So do like, subscribe and share my videos, and do let me know in the comments below कि आप लोग नाश्ते पे क्या खाते हो, what is it that you love to consume in your breakfast time, and what is it that makes you feel happy for the rest of the day.